Welcome back to this YouTube channel, Maru's Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how to set up FNF Tunnel BD in all countries for a fast, a secure, and a stable internet. So don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to share this tutorial to your friend. And in case you get any problem, Maru's Tech is going to leave the comment section open so that you can express your ideas, give some tips, and also you can comment your network and the country so that we can give you the best settings for your network. Don't forget to like the tutorial. Let us start up our tutorial. First and foremost, open Google Play Store, and once you open Google Play Store, you're going to search FNF Tunnel BD, then search. Once you search this application, make sure you download, and after downloading, you're going to open. Now, you're going to allow all permissions that will be requested to you by this application, most so the notification permission, because once you fail to allow the notification permission, this application may fail to connect. Now, keep in mind that this tutorial is for research, information, education purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers, terms and conditions, and the community guidelines. Now, you're going to do this first. You're going to come right here in the top left corner where we have that big box, and then you're going to choose option 1, which is update. Guys, if you don't update the servers, it may fail to connect. It is a pro tip. Now, the second thing to do, you're going to come where you see the auto select server, and then you're going to be seeing those two servers. I recommend you guys to choose a server that is near to your country's location, or that is your location, or let us all choose the UDP global. And then the last step, you're going to come right here where you see all country, UDP mode VIP, and then you're going to scroll. You're going to be scrolling patiently looking for our country's server, but you're going to look for your country's server. But if your country supports UDP, you're going to just go in the search bar and then type in UDP. Only if your country supports UDP, and then you're going to connect to this one, and then after you're going to enable the DNS, and then save, and then after connect, accept the connection request, give it some few seconds to connect. But some devices may fail to recognize the DNS, so you can disable the DNS if your device fails to recognize the DNS. But if it appreciates the DNS, you are free to go on with the DNS. Now, what if it fails to connect? What are you going to do? If it fails to connect, you're going to first clear the app data, turn airplane mode on and then off, clear quick, and then you can also try to restart your device, and then you can also try to restart the application. Let us meet in the next tutorial. I sign out.